Learn Python in 5 minutes. So let's begin. First of all, we're making a file main.py. Okay, then we are making, first of all, let me introduce you to strings. Okay, so strings are kept inside this inverted commas, like hello world. This is a string. Okay, then okay, then we have numbers. Okay, or say integers. Okay, we have integers like this, and then we have floats. Okay, so floats can easily be written like that. Then we have bool means true or false, and float means numbers containing some point values, decimal values. Okay, then we have bool, subscribed equals false. Okay, then we have list. Let's put it my underscore list. Okay, here I'm putting my channel names, Mr. Lathama, then I have Mr. Lathama 2, then I have Mr. Lathama Gaming, and more. So that's list, and then I have dictionary. Then here, so dictionary are kept inside this. So here I'm making like who are you? So like this, I put here one colon, then here another string like I am Mr. Lathama, comma. Okay, so here we have separated these values of a list with a comma. Same goes for the dictionary. Okay, then what is your name? Then I put here my name is Mr. Lathama. Okay, let me just remove it. Okay, done. So that's all the variables in Python. Okay, now let's continue with printing. Okay, printing. So here I have this name, hello world. So this is already like existing variable, so here I'll put name. Now if you run the program, it will show hello world. Then for numbers I can do like this. Then for strings I can put like this. Okay, then now same goes for the integers, float, and bool. Then for list, okay, now if I put my list here, you can see. Now if I put here 1, I'm okay, wait, let's try 1. So you can see Mr. Lathama 2. So this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. It's not 1 2 3, it is 0 1 2. Okay, then we have the dictionary. For using the dictionary, I put here this. Now we are printing a dictionary. Who are you? I am Mr. Lathama. Now here we will put who are you. Okay, now if we print it, it says I am Mr. Lathama. Okay, now let me show you some conditional statements, like if subscribed means if it is true, it will print thanks for subscribing. Now else print subscribe. Okay, here you can see subscribe, because the subscribed is here false. Okay, so you guys have not subscribed. My program is telling, so subscribe it. Now if you have subscribed, I've put it true. Then if you run it again, now it says thanks for subscribing. So that's your Python in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Or okay, wait, let me just put one more. Like there's one if statement also, like this is used for just let me put num equals 5 if num equals 2, then this if elif num equals 3, then print anything random. Okay, equals. Okay, so what this elif does is like If this condition is false, then it will go for this condition, and if both of these are false, then it will go to else statement. Let's see, it says subscribe because the num is 5 and not 2 or 3. Now if I put 5, then it will show thanks for subscribing.